Hello, this is Jimmy Shankin with the Shankin Team and Coldwell Banker Southern Coast. I'm here at 105 Westchester Lane in Lexington Subdivision, just a few short minutes to Fort Stewart Gate 7 and the Taylors Creek Elementary School District. This home was built by Dryden Enterprises and is the Brandon floor plan. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with ceramic tile floors in the kitchen, wood floors, and carpet in the bedrooms. The home features a screened-in back porch, fenced-in backyard, and is meticulously landscaped. Give us a call today and you'll be thanking Shankin tomorrow. 912-408-2021. That's 912-408-2021.